Hey, guess where we are? I'm here with Brandy at Digtown.
Digtown.
And tell us what Digtown is.
Digtown is a kids amusement park. We feature forklifts, excavators. We have a mini golf course. We'll have cranes. We have log grapples. We have something for pretty much every age group. We're super excited to get open in the Branson area.
And you open?
We don't have an exact opening date. Everyone's super excited to know that, and we're getting calls from the Chamber of Commerce in Branson. Also news radios. We have been hit by multiple venues wanting to talk to us about opening dates. So we do not have that yet. We are finishing construction. Have a few things left to do. Once we get that, we will have that posted on our Facebook page. So do be watching our Facebook page. It's at Digtown. And then also our website, www.digtown.com. The putt-putt, the idea behind the putt-putt golf course is basically something for our parents to do. So kids may want to play on the excavators and forklifts. That may not be exactly what kids want to do or what the parents want to do. So we wanted something that families could do together, and then also the parents could enjoy while they're here as well.
Now, are these gonna hold adults and children?
They will hold adults and children, so if we do have adults that want to play and dig, they're definitely welcome.
I want to play
as well.
I want to play.
We've had a ton of people that have come by that said they're definitely interested. They've never had an opportunity to get on an excavator. The cool thing about these machines, they are designed just like an excavator, so they have hydraulic components that will work and operate. So if your child is able to work on the excavators, then they'll be able to also run a real excavator. So it's kind of a learning process as well. So they could definitely get off of this machine and know how to electronically operate a real machine.
I love this. I'm so excited. Thanks for talking to me.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming by. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. There is a comments in digtown.com right now, so you can reach out to us that way. Also info@digtown.com, that goes to our email, so we're happy to answer any questions there.
Okay, and they're located right next to Cheddar's, which is fairly new here, right across the street from the Music Round Mall, and right across the street, what is that, the Hollywood Wax Museum, and right next door to Charlie's, and then right down there is All Access Branson, where we refer to get show tickets. So
we love All Access Branson. They're great. So
and you're on their new map too.
Yeah, we are. So we love them. They are great people. Love working with them. So.
We've been working with them, and they're straight up legit ticket sales, and it's
heard
wonderful.
Nothing but good things about them. So we're super excited to get started with them.
I have never had a problem with them. They're wonderful. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
coming
by. All right, I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thanks.